Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, this video we are going to show you some of the two color blouse back neck design. So please watch the video till end. Friends, all ladies find out for the trendy saree blouse design so that they can pair with their simple saree. If the blouse or saree is appealing, then it can add a beautiful look, even a plain saree. However, the front neck of the blouse get a little covered with the saree pallu, but the blouse back neck design are totally visible. So most of the women focus on wearing the blouse back neck design with their saree. Friends, every year we see different trendy blouse design getting popular. Friends, discover simple and modern blouse back neck design for saree. Explore new and latest. Friends, the back neck blouse with double color cloth is a beautiful and elegant style that can add a touch of sophistication to any saree. The blouse style features a double color cloth detail at the back of the neck, which can be tried in various ways to create different look. The double color cloth back neck design with button blouse is a classic and versatile design with a row of blouse running down the back of the double color cloth blouse. This kind of blouse design perfect choice for casual and formal occasion. Friends, double color cloth with cutout back neck blouse design is stylish and trendy with a cutout at the back, just above the neckline. This design add a touch of uniqueness to any outfit, creating it a popular choice for wedding, engagement, get-together, party and all other special occasions. Friends, the boat neck double color blouse are gaining immense popularity among simple saree back neck design. So, no matter where you want to wear it, at a work, wedding or parties or Indian gathering, this is one we will make you look good. It cover your shoulder so you can stop bothering about your figure. You can even add a shiny stone button to the opening for sparkle. Friends, the blouse design back neck for Indian saree will be incomplete without this kind of double color cloth blouse, which is very different from usual asymmetric cut. It is a great fusion and work equally well for all type of body. You can try a variety of design like the one shown, depend on your body shape and structure. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.